Hey YouTube fam, blessed day to you. Welcome once more to another video. Thanks for supporting, thanks for loving. So at this point, I am going to be taking you through my kitchen. I'm going to be doing some prepping for some a little extra catering thing. And I'm going to be doing some prepping. Also, I'll be incorporating a little baking. And also, I will be making dinner too. Okay, my girl is gonna join me at some point. Daddy's here and they are help. Daddy wanna say hi? Hi everybody. Okay, so next clip. So realize. I go give you a little rundown. This is over on my island and this is what is happening. I'm gonna tell us, so we are prep, we are season, we are make dinner, we are do everything. This is what it looks like over on my kitchen island. Yeah, all kind of something. Onions, scallion, me a piece of pumpkin with the left back. Maybe cook it together. I want to make a little juice, some cucumber and turnip. What am I talking about? Beetroot, and I take out my knife sharp and I want to try at it too. Jesse's here, all who ask Jesse, see they're in alive and living colors. Them there, me little sure them will come out of my deep freeze. Over on the other side right here, right over here, I got me minced beef. I'm gonna be seasoning, making minced meat and making meatballs to be frozen. I like that. Me have my papa them over there, so right papa and something. So right here I got me some chicken breast, got me some liver. Me I season up liver. Me I make that for dinner, and I got me some chicken, a lot of chicken that I cut up to season. So as I go along, I'll be taking you. So I'll catch you then. So my liver has been washed, rinsed with some lime water. I'm not like put the vinegar because vinegar toughen the liver like that before it cooks. So I'm slicing up my liver. I think this was about 3.5 pounds, did it? Yeah. 3.5 pounds of liver. So basically, I cut it up now. Season it, I get it out of the way. Then I go turn to for start blend up my thing for make me put it on my minced beef and get it together for make my meatballs. It's about 1 p.m. 1 in the p.m. now. So liver there. So yeah. So seasoning up I gonna be next. And it's like not too bad, you know. No. If it's tough, me and onion. So look up at your onion. Onion never get. See it? This is how you strip your liver. You see this little part here? You take it off. Onion always strip it, but it look like that little part there. For all who never cook liver from scratch, this is the part that you have to take off of it. So it look like so it never did finish. Yep. You see this? You gotta take them off. This is what it looks like. So I always tell them, say, I never get no chance for showing how to strip liver because onion always strip it for me. So I show you now, one little strip left on it. So you just hold it and you peel it off. See it? Yeah. Next clip. So that because some garlic for me. I have my scallion, I have my scotch bonnet, I have some just a little garlic powder, and I'm gonna put some salt. Yeah. So I'm blend up some pimento seed too, but me have a bag of knife and I want to use in a day. But then the knife you now want good, so also this a knife you now do. Grating off some garlics. I'm gonna cut up scotch yet. Yeah, but no, I'm not grate all of that. So I'm going to grate off for the and the chicken, this sort of. I put garlic powder already, so nothing wrong. guys. I chop up the pepper fine. I do the liver, but I put another one in it, a 3.5 pound of liver, but through dad him now. He's got a worthless too, you know, little and a worthless. I think he did little and talaba, but I don't know if much I liver me eat, but through him and Gerard cook them with liver. So this is good. I have other meat for season up, so I get my pimento seed them all grind off at this point. So this is my pimento seeds. Pimento seed grind up and coriander, but I don't know what happened to the blend. Okay. I did put a little salt, I think so. Yeah. So okay, my liver, season it up and leave it. I'm gonna do this for dinner. I'm gonna be doing this for dinner. Maybe some will leave back 3.5 pounds. It's a 3.5 pound I have a little still, but liver weight, you know.
Yeah, liver weight.
So I'm gonna go cover up that and get it out of the way, and then gonna come now to this is my mince meat, but I have to go get out my food processor to do some things. So next clip, got me a little salt and a little cayenne pepper, and this is my spice blend. So I'm going to work on my fresh herbs blend in the food processor right about now. I'm gonna plastic wrap it until I am ready to do my meatballs. So I am washing up now. Wash up these over here, and I'm also washing up, preparing containers with some freestyle. I don't remember if I showed you that I had some banana, fine ripe banana. I'm going to mix up a batch of banana bread now. Some freestyle banana bread. So. Okay, if I find some of my as I told you, I'm in half a tub. I have some plants right here. I have a much of these. 4 of these. But if it's a make go one more pan, you know. I honestly feel I have to go figure out about the dish soap something. So this color so I'm doing. That always a cut and grease. Cut paper and grease. So let me put on them good. now, guys, my eggs and my bananas are still not yet at room temperature. So this when you freeze the banana, you take them off the top. They get a little darkish, but that's not anything. That's okay. So I'm gonna be using all of this banana and the juice and everything. It's done. So it's still a bit cold. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start on dinner. I make some white rice and what are something the name? Liver. I never really want in the white rice, but I don't have no other choice here right now. So I'm just gonna make the liver, and cause I guess I'm hungry. Dad and Dad is hungry too. So come on, girl. You know them eat young people that eat for them or something. So I'm gonna be making dinner. So that will give the bananas and the eggs some more time to come to room temperature. And I don't want that drink that jug and them if you say me I put in there. So that's what I'll be doing right now. I have chicken to be seasoned, meatballs to be made. So by the time, and the thing is, it works into for me because when I put the banana bread in there, I can't dip on the stove top and cook. So I'm going to go and cook. You know, so I'm going to be doing liver. I'm going to start that. I search for that.
We can smell something turn on that.
At all, that I live in a girl.
Oh.
It smells nice. What time is it on now? Yeah?
You're saying there's a garlic sauce?
Yeah. Should I put it in there? What is up there? Eh? Yeah, I think so. A long time I not put it back right. Don't.
Yeah, it's over here right now.
But even one time before we come over. Come here, so come live. A long time I not cook it. I never cook nothing. Hard man. When they stress them. Oi. Then enough. Where is my, I need a, what's that thing? Family still with me. Everything. Yeah. Real kitchen. She just throw it, give me. I give you everything that is always real. Yeah, up with that. Want some local rice now. So, I flame and the liver and I look tough. So. Eh? Yeah. So she said. Some liver cook. But soon go now close up on the liver. What you say? 320? 230? Then lad bread my dinner that's beginner. What do you call? You think you later than that? Oh God Jesus. So we're gonna put a little soy sauce. So put a little where ketchup there?
Behind.
Okay, sir?
Yeah.
Let me go back to me 2 shots, you know. Family me come back 2 shots, me 2 shots with them cover there. So yeah, look something to make a little gravy for the liver, cause I don't know say. You don't want it too like gravy pants and thing, you know. So you might go back there 2 times for me. Eh?
So I like ketchup as sweet.
Oh, the one who did not about there. Alright, so here we go now. I'm going to finish cook the liver and I'm going to get some rice. Rice and I cover this, so that dark and I cover the dark camera. So when you see me next, I have the rice and I'm not really teach on how to do nothing. Yes, I don't know, say I just vlogging what I do at home today. I'm just getting, I want you to just relax and enjoy what I'm doing in my kitchen with me. The time at dinner, but I can't lay because my windows are open. My back porch and the window, the washroom and everything, the front door work all the way there, way up yonder. But I have my little white towel and me I go on and see me a Brazil strap. Read life, everything. Life's good, everything is okay. Give thanks to everybody that comes into your life and make a positive move, even a positive comment, a positive suggestion. Thanks, and remember the people that are always there for you. Try to think about the people that randomly sends you a $20 or $50 without you asking. You know, try not to disrespect them. Also, be careful of those who send you bigger cash and all of that and just want to control you. Give thanks for them too, but be careful of them because Sometimes you tend to think about the people who can send you $500 and don't think about the people who just randomly say, look here, I send a $20 or $50 for you, buy chicken for your Sunday dinner. Always remember to think about them. Life's good and everything is okay. It's just we have to make the very best of it. So, I may have sweat button like, over the something. So, I have chicken for season. I got meatballs to make and probably to fry. Reset goes, so I make dinner now. Banana bread to be made. So we got a long way still yet to tip our weary. Next clip. Okay, okay. Now bring them up close. Then see how I go on. Liver shot, liver happen. Tastes so good, it's soft and...
No, mommy said she wanted for the banana bread.
Oh, alright.
But what do you use some sardine? Yeah. Now put the apple cider. Not too much. I could have put some white wine too. White wine and red wine. Put some ketchup. It's a ketchup, I mean, I don't put cheap ketchup, but that's why it goes sometimes. That's it. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. I don't know my tongue idiot. I put some sweet chili sauce. If you want a nice gravy for the liver. Where you going? I should have made them see. Put back the sweet chili in the fridge.
Anything?
Yep. Tasted it before and the spice is good. Oh man, Karen can show them the gravy, girl. Gravy. Could they, awake, could they? Just a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. Girl, come show them the gravy. Rice on. Oh, you could live a gravy, girl. You know, somebody are going to enjoy this. Turn down stove. Could they onion rings cut up over here? So may I come with them. Wow, this is good. Eh, liver easy for cook when you get the nice liver, you know. On the up back. Oi. Yep. I hit that. Stove off. So that's the liver and the rice over there coming to come. Next clip. So guys, dinner is ready. I left and went to do something. Cut up some chicken, wash and season. Yeah, see there, I just go stir up. Yeah, I can just probably start turning this stove low to eat up the liver. Come on girl, I got dish up some food for me. One little pack chai at the fridge. You know it go inside, lucky. Basically, see me over here. Wow, my eggs are here. Then come to room temperature already. Them ready for go bake now. And so sugar and all of my little baking something. Let me draw them nearby. You see what I do? Yeah, I put that jug on here. Oh, I go on this. I look like I did nutmeg. You flour now. And my banana is in here. It's still a little bit cold. I wash up most of it. So, you see? I just like what we eat for dinner and for just tidy up the sink. And then we have the flour for dough. So when you see me next, I'm going to eat some food. Stomach the pan empty. And body. Engine the pan E and stomach the pan E. So when you see me in the next clip, I'll be finish eat. And I'm going to take a rest. Because my back hurt me. When I feel my back hurt me, when I feel my lower back starting to hurt, it tells me that I am tired. That is when I know that I'm extra tired, when my back starts to hurt. So may I get a little food. Shall steam the pak chai for me because I don't know, maybe just eat it. I not even know 1 spoon of rice and that. And so I try to keep her from the just plain white rice like this right now. So next clip.
Alright guys, so this is dinner. This is Dad's dinner. He wants most of the rice and gravy and stuff with the liver. And then this is Mom's dinner. She wanted the pak choy with just a little bit of rice and then a liver. Not too much gravy in it, but I just put a little bit in there. And this is it for them. I haven't dished my dinners yet because I'm not ready as yet. So that's it for them.
Okay family, so we had dinner. I had my bath. I got a little rest up. And now I'm on to my banana bread. But I think I'm going to leave the meatballs until tomorrow. They're in the refrigerator. So I have my sugar, my oil, my eggs in here, banana bread. So may I go whisk. And right here, so I have my dry ingredients. Yeah. It's nighttime now though. That is greasing the pans for me. So look here, this is not the measurement. This is some mass production banana bread where we not measure here. Me no measure. You can measure in a mass production, but me personally, I'm not measuring no banana. Right here now. So mixing it. Getting this, I'm just gonna whisk it in. I'll bring up the speed pan high. Yeah. Starting up my banana bread. My oven is preheated to 350 over here. Alright. Mashing some bananas. Thawed frozen bananas. So I am mashing. And my oven just preheat off camera. Just like a little while ago. Preheating sign went off. Yeah, so this is my sugar, eggs, and oil. See how creamy and nice that is? There's a piece of the banana, like the navel part. Hope me find it here. See it here? Yep. Banana bread, me tell you all the way, nobody can spoil banana bread and carrot cake. Anybody spoil banana bread and carrot cake, something really up with them. Put in some vanilla. Yep. And I want to put in a little dragon. Up to you. Do what you want to do. Yeah. Give that a little mix. Creamy and nice. Wow. What do you think about that, Cole?
Yeah, it's good.
I got sipping this now. My flour. A little at a time. I'm gonna be sifting it in. Everything is in there. Sift it in about 3 to 4 different parts, so we can incorporate it without lumps. Yeah. I know. And I'm making this banana bread with the pieces of banana in there. Yeah. So, see? My second set of flour go in. I think this, I'll do this in probably one batch. Yeah, next one more. And I never measure one thing. I can't tell you about the measurement in there. Okay, so my pans are here. Wow, Omega have my face Omega have a problem with the other one, them not show it. Alright, this are it. I go turn them the other way, you get me? Okay. Out the way.
Yeah, it's just exactly 3.
For the 3 and the round one there. Oh. Give them a space in there. I don't know what happened to this one here, you know, but next clip fam. Okay. I'm gonna get some washing up done. All of that. So YouTube fam, it's the next day and I have prepped my meatballs and they're there. I'm gonna remove them to another tray to be flashed freeze. Yeah. Okay dokie. Yeah. Right on over here. This is the end of our banana bread. And of course, you see that. You know, we did work on that last night off camera. Real thing, real life. You see that nice sheen on the top? And those banana pieces in there? Yeah. So, this is it. Banana bread them. They came out nice though. These are going to be served as little complimentary pieces for my customers. So guys, we are here and we are gonna be sharing up our banana bread. But I eat the end, you know, real thing. Remember I told you before, I'm gonna use them as little complimentary pieces. You know, when you go first time, I don't know, no. I'm not traveling now all long up on a plane. But you know, when you get your meal, you will get a little nice piece, a little sweet tooth. So we're cutting them in pieces like these. Just after you eat. You know, most times after you eat, sometimes you have a little sweet tooth. You know me attack? So, that's what we are doing. We're going to cut them, get them all wrapped and refrigerated for the next day. So this is what we're doing. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope you did like. Remember to make sure you stay tuned for all that we will be cooking after this prepping. We didn't show you everything, all the prepping, because I have some food and some curryman to do, but I have not prepped that as yet. So thanks for the love, thanks for the support. I'll catch you again with another video.